Hi, I'm Brittany, and I'm here to show you how to use the a2b application that's available from Froogloid on the Android platform. Now that I've arrived at my location, I just select Store Location, and you can see the map pulls up and it shows exactly where I'm at. And on this view there are 3 tabs, and you can add different features. You can take a photo, and you can also record notes of where you're parked. So next I'm going to take a photo, so I just click on the tab. And you can see it pulls up, and I'm just going to take a picture that will remind me where I'm at. I can see that red truck, so I'm going to use that as my identifier. And I just click the button. Okay, now that my picture is stored, I can also record some notes. And you can either type in the notes or you can just make a voice recording. So I'm just going to make a voice recording, so I'm going to click record. I'm at Firewheel Mall. And then I click stop. And I can also play it back to make sure it's working. I'm at Firewheel Mall. Okay, so now that I have all my information entered, I'm just going to click Save and Store. And now my location is stored. Alright, let's go shopping. Alright, I finished shopping. Now let's find the car. First, I'm going to pull up our application again, a2b. And now I'm going to find my location. Okay, so I've pulled up the list of my saved locations, and I can tell this first one is my saved location that I most recently saved because of the date and the time of the picture, and also the picture that I took. So I'm just going to click on that location, and it takes me to the map view. And if you look on the map view, I'm point A, of course, and point B is where I want to go. And you can also see that I have 170 meters to my car, and also you can see that the green arrow points me in the direction that I need to go. I can also look at my photo to remind myself of the photo I took, and I can also listen to my notes to help remind myself of where I parked. I'm at Firewheel Mall. That's right, we're at Firewheel Mall. So I'm going to pull up my location, and I'm going to start walking in the direction of my car. Now you can see that the distance is only 136 meters, and the arrow is pointing that way, so the car must be that way. Okay, I've stopped to check my location one more time. I'm point A, and I am 86 meters from my parking spot, and you can tell by the green arrow that I'm supposed to be that way. Oh, and there's the red truck I took a picture of. Okay, I pulled up my location one more time, and you can see point A and B are pretty close here. I'm actually 13 meters from my car, and you can see the arrow is pointing directly at my car, so I know exactly where I'm at. Well, now that I'm back at my car, I no longer need this parking spot saved, so I'm just going to hit the delete button, and it will delete this spot from my list. And it's no longer there.